Hi guys, what is going on? What is happening, everyone? My name is Eni Alakija, and in this particular video, I'm going to be telling you guys all about Expertnaire right here. And before I jump into all of this, I know a bunch of us that may be watching this video are newbies, and if you're a newbie, well, this particular video is for you. Also, if you've tried Expertnaire in the past and you've not gotten the best results with it, well, this particular video is also for you as well. So that being said, I'm just going to jump into this particular video and let get the juice. Now, if you've already heard about Expertnaire, you already know what they do. Is Expertnaire is a digital marketplace where they help creators of digital products to get more sales and connect with more customers via their platform and network of high performing affiliates. So in Expertnia, basically, they are the product creators, right? The product creators are those people who create like digital courses and that help people to do something. So for instance, you can have someone who creates a digital course on how to profit from Bitcoin or crypto. You can have someone who creates a digital course on how to go to Canada. You can have someone who creates a digital course on basically how to do anything, right? And then you have the affiliates, right? The affiliates are the people who understand traffic and who know how to go out there and get the right traffic to the right products and connect people who are ready to buy these products with the creators' products, right? So these affiliates make a lot of money, the product creators make a lot of money, and products are being sold to various customers who need them around the world, right? Simple. That's basically what Expandnia is all about. Now, you can be a product creator, right? Which is you sign up as a vendor on Expertnaire right here. But we're not going to be going into that. This particular video is for those people who want to become an affiliate, right? So let's say you want to become an affiliate and you want to start selling products right there on Expertnaire. Well, keep watching this video and I'll show you exactly how to do that before the end of this video. That being said, let me just jump in. Now, for me, I have been promoting Expander products in the past, but I just dropped it and I don't know. Life got in the way, a lot of things happened. But yes, right now I want to show you guys what it is when you go ahead and you do not promote Expander products for over a year plus. Right now, this is my Expander dashboard. At the time when I was promoting, back then I earned like very little commissions. I sold only two products. It was very little. But yeah, I actually got these three sales, and those three sales are basically these are my all-time earnings from those three sales. And yeah, that has been what it has been. And I never ever, came into the Expander dashboard up until today, right? Now I want to show you guys something. Now a lot of people have been telling me that, hey, ever since I stumbled on Expertnaire, I signed up, I got an account, but I couldn't get it working. I couldn't make money off of it. But I was now thinking, oh, let me start again. And then I saw that subscription expired and I had to renew subscription. See, it is normal. I know that Toyin Omotosho, who is the founder of Expertnaire, does not want affiliates who are, not capable of getting traffic or who are unserious, basically, to be on his platform, right? So I'm very sure that he has taken precaution. In order for that not to happen, he has taken precaution and made sure that everyone subscribed. To be an affiliate, you have to subscribe to the Expertnia platform. So for me now, because I have an account in the past, it's easy now for me to simply just renew my subscription, right? So right here, right now, what I'm just going to do is I'm going to renew my subscription right here. So it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Right now, as you guys can see, it has brought out a payment gateway for me to insert my card details. And from me to get my card details in here, all I just have to do is get my card. So give me a moment, let me get my card right here. All right, guys, so now I've gotten my card. I'm with my card details, and I'm simply going to insert it in. Boom. So I have actually inserted in my card details, and it turns out it was already here all along. So I'm just going to confirm that with my GPay. The reason why I'm doing this for you guys to see is so if you're in the same shoes as me, and maybe you subscribe to the Expertnaire platform in the past, and you got logged out, or you haven't been promoting for so long, and you've forgotten about the whole account and whatnot. It's easy for you to just get your subscription going all over again, and you'll be able to see all the digital products that are there available for you to start promoting today. So I'm waiting for this confirmation from GPay. Hopefully my payment is good. Okay, so that works. Okay, so I have my information there. I'm gonna have to blur this out. So that being said, you see I make the payment right there. When I click pay, it's going to send me my normal authentication, and then I'm gonna do just that, authenticate the transaction. Okay, then an OTP code will be sent to you as well if you're doing this as well. um I'm gonna wait for my OTP code from my bank. While I wait for that, remember and keep in mind that it's going to be deducting a sum of 10,000 naira for 1 year. So I'm going to have access to promote all Expertnaire products for the whole year for just a sum of 10,000 naira. So that being said, let me find my OTP because I haven't gotten any alerts for the OTP yet. So I'm just gonna see what I can do here. Is it a network thing or okay? It says the token should be sent to you within 2 minutes. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. So guys, see if this thing takes time, right? You just allow it play its course. You can always, yeah, right? You're always going to be able to, do this. The point is that you must just calm down because here in Nigeria, a lot of things are just like slow, especially when it comes to the network and all of that. So it's normal to have all those things like that. So guys, it turns out this is already 43 seconds, 40 seconds counting, and I haven't still gotten an OTP from my bank. So clearly my bank or this particular bank has, a problem going on, and I don't really want to be associated with that problem right now. So okay, so it turns out I just got the OTP like right now, so I'm just gonna type it in. Guys, as you guys can see, it says payment successful right there. Payment successful. I'm just going to click on OK. And now, as you guys can see, is refresh my Expertnaire account. Now when I go to the product marketplace again, I'm not going to be seeing renew subscription anymore. It's going to automatically update my account, and I'm going to start seeing all the various Expertnaire products that I can actually promote. So for those of you who, you may have joined Expertnaire in the past, but after some time you left it, and after a year, you didn't renew your subscription, and then now you can't see the products to promote whenever you log into your Expertnaire dashboard. It's okay, it's fine. All you have to do is make a payment of 10,000 naira, and you should be able to access all the products from Expertnaire once more. And I have just made the payment now, so I'm just going to show you that yes, you can access it. It's still loading. For some strange reason, my internet seems to be quite slow today. Yes, but we're just still going to manage it. I guess this is what you get if you're still in Nigeria at this point in time. But yes, hopefully we'll get better internet in this country some way, somehow, someday, right? However, that being said, I'm going to come back to this, but also if you are a new person on Expandnia and you just wish to start promoting products, some of the products listed on our platform are this. So all of this here, all of these seafood details here, all these seafood details, they are all links to Expandnia products. So what you have to do is just simply click on each and every one of them. I'm just going to click on them for you guys so that I will show you guys the various products while they load. Okay, so let me go back to product marketplace again. Still loading actually. So voila. All right, so this guy right here is saying after helping students making millions this offer, I want to show you how a three-step formula to turning a WhatsApp into cash generating machine. So this guy is basically this guy is basically okay. So this is the guy right here, is basically telling people, how you can turn your WhatsApp, into a sales machine. And yeah, he has proof of people he has helped. People gave him some testimonials and whatnot, and he's definitely just, this is a sales page of this is a sales page of the guy's digital products. So now anybody that comes here will watch this video, and then they'll click on it here. And when they click on it here, you see guys, the price is 20,000 naira. So out of this price now, this is the WhatsApp sales blueprint. Now we want to find out how much is the commission. Voila. Now as you can see, I have access to promoting all those products all over again right now because I have paid for the yearly subscription. So guys, it's the yearly subscription that's really making you not be able to access all of these digital products from Expertnia. I mean, this is 2024. If in 2023 or 2022 was the last time you opened your Expertnia account, it's not going to last forever. You're meant to renew it yearly, right? So that being said, what we're just going to do here is we're going to look for the WhatsApp, yes, the WhatsApp secrets, because we want to find out how much commission, right? How much commission. This is Tony Fortizo. I know this person actually. I believe he's a very good copywriter. This one, my 15-year-old tested and trusted, simple yet outrageously effective secrets for repeatedly minting millions from a tiny, unresponsive email list or snobby social media followers. You see? Okay, so I think he is teaching more about copywriting, and his own course is for 37,000 naira. So we have the WhatsApp sales blueprint for 20,000 naira. So let's go to the product marketplace. The product marketplace will take its time to load because obviously my internet. But while that's still loading, let's check out other people's courses as well. We have someone here. He says his name is Moshood Bakare. He's a sales funnel expert, and every business needs a funnel. right? We have some testimonials here as well. It's perfect. Okay. This guy has a nice landing page going on, and some figure funnel agency and acquire high paying clients. Okay, so with that said, this guy as well, you can definitely check out. Let's check out how much he's selling his own course as well. So he's selling his own course at 35,000 naira. All these guys, I just want to see the commissions, right? So that I can start promoting some Expertnaire products as well. But anyways, if this video was of help to you, you can go ahead and try it out, try logging in.